Meaning of Deutschmark.
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 Deutschmark. The Deutschmark was the official currency of Germany from 1948 to 2002, when it was replaced by the euro. Initially issued to aid in post-World War II economic reconstruction, the Deutschmark quickly became a symbol of West German economic success and stability. The currency was widely used both domestically and internationally. Its value was determined by various factors including the country's economic performance, inflation, and interest rates. The Deutschmark remains an important part of Germany's modern history and its legacy can still be felt today.